In this lesson, we will be graphing parabolas that are in standard form. Remember that standard form is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So the first thing you want to do is find the vertex. So we're going to ax squared plus bx plus c. We're going to identify the parts of the equation. So a is 3, b is -6. Don't forget the subtraction sign makes it negative. And c is -1. Now you need to find your axis of symmetry. The formula is x equals -b over 2a. So we're going to plug it in. Minus -6 over 2 times 3. We simplify that. We get 6 over 6. Simplify that. X equals 1. Now we're going to place this back into, substitute x back into the equation to get y. So we have 3x squared minus 6x minus 1. 3 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1 minus 1. That simplifies down to -4. So your vertex is 1, -4. Now, in the chart, you're going to put your 1, -4 in the middle, and you're going to add 1 here, and then subtract 1 here. And then you're going to take each of your x's and substitute it into the y, into the equation to get y. So f at -1, I didn't mean to use that color. F at -1 equals 3 -1 squared minus 6 times -1 minus 1. And that equals 8. And that goes here. Then you find f at 0, which is 3 times 0 squared minus 6 times 0 minus 1, and that equals -1. You've already done the next one, so now you sub in 2. I put 2, and that equals 3 times 2 squared minus 6 times 0 squared minus, it should be a 2, sorry. Minus 1 equals -1. And then f at 3 is equal to 3 times 3 squared minus 6 times 3 squared minus 1, and that equals 8. So this is -1, and this is 8. Okay. So now you're going to plot these points. I would start with the vertex, which is right there, which is 1, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it goes there. And then I would put in, you all have to excuse my dogs, they're playing this morning. Then I would put in the axis of symmetry, which is right here. Let me make this line thicker. This is your axis of symmetry. Then I would graph the rest of the points. So I would go -1, 8, -1, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will go, let's erase that. 0, -1. Put a dot there. Then go 1. We did 1, -4. So then I will go 2, -1. 1, 2, -1. And then I will go 3. Start at 0 and go 1, 2, 3. +8. And that's right here. And so our parabola, when you connect the dots, will then look like this. You're not supposed to miss the dots though, but you know, Miss Rickman can't draw straight, so it looks like that. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, and this is how this is. I want to redraw those lines. Okay, so you come down and go like this. I still didn't do it right. Oh, let's try it one more time. Almost. You all get it, right? You gotta connect the dots. And then that is how you do this equation. And that is what it should look like. So there are 3 of these on the next page, and that will be your homework. And that is due. This homework is due this Friday. Let me pull up my calendar so that you can see, so that you know when it's due. This Friday would be the 14th. You also have a test that day on these notes that you're taking now, and you're going to have a notebook check. But the notebook check is going to be on the 12th. That's all we're doing in class is notebook check on the 12th. Just do on the 14th. And I'll put it in Schoology on the calendar so that you have it. All right, scholars. Thank you so much for listening. See you soon.